I am Vijay Kumar. I am the President of Sales and Marketing JSPL. We have opened this store today to showcase our wide range of products, quality products which we make. We make rails, we make structurals, we make columns, we make plates, white plates for Indian Navy, for the shipbuilding, and we make sheet piles also for projects. And in addition to that, we make about 2.5 lakh tons of TMT bars. So that is branded as Panther TMT bars, and we sell it through the retail channels also. And this shop is to showcase all our products, and we are growing plant corporate, and we are going to expand and put up another 3 million tons of HR coils and plates in Angul. So we will become more than 15 million tons in the next 3 years. So we are trying to meet the ever-growing demand from the infrastructure company requirement of the country. National highways, ports, Sagarmala, railways, buildings, construction, hospitals, IIMs, IITs. So much construction is coming up in India in the infrastructure, and there's a lot of expenditure announced by the government for the improvement of infrastructure. So we are all gearing up to meet the demand of the ever-growing steel demand. So we are party to all these growth stories now. We will be displaying TMT bars from 8 mm to 36 mm, 40 mm. And then we have structurals, angles we give it to transmission line towers, and heavy structurals we give it to high-rise buildings where 37 floors, 40 floors, they are all constructing in steel now, because the construction is much faster. It takes only 25% of the time if we use steel construction. So we make plates. Most of the Kaleshwaram project and Polavaram project, the pipelines, where all the steel was given by us to Mega Engineering, RVR, etc. They have made huge pipes for the pumping of water. So we make penstocks quality steel also for the idle power plants. So we are into every grade of high steel which we used to import. We are now making in JSPL, like rails. For metro rail corporations, we used to import from Japan and Austria. Now we make it in India. So all the metro rail corporations, Hyderabad Metro, Chennai Metro, Delhi Metro, they will all buy from us. So government also has given a great fillip to the Atmanirbhar policy, Make in India policy. So we will be contributing to the government's dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So that means we will become self-reliant. We will not import. We will make everything here itself. Currently the prices are okay. We are about $200 less than the international prices. International, there is a lot of demand because there is the iron ore prices, coking coal prices have gone up. You see the crude oil prices also, they have gone up. So they are all adding to the cost of the steel. Even then, keeping the requirement of the country and the consumption of steel is going up, we have kept our prices lower for the domestic market. Doing much better, their demand for steel will grow much. We have in this quarter, April-June quarter, we have done well. We have sold about 6.7 million tons, which is growth on about 20% growth on the last year's sales. And we are last financial year we have grown by almost 35%. So that is the growth story of ours, and we are going on adding capacity. So we will be contributing to the nation's growth also. Thank you.